Hi, this is Ms. Snyder with information about how students can check their progress in Khan Academy. And parents, there is a way to sign up for a parent account, but in this video, I'm just going to show you how to have the student just open up their account and look at that with them. Sometimes that can be more effective to just sit with them and double check and make sure that all their Khan homework assignments are caught up with. So first have them log into their Khan Academy account. For the most part, unless a student already had an account when they took my class, I had them use Google to log in. So for the most part, they would be using Google, and I have a separate account that I use for Google or for Khan that makes Khan Academy think that I am a student. All right, so when your child logs on to Khan Academy, the name of whatever class they are in will be here. It will either be Snyder Math A or Snyder Math B with the days that they attend in the year. And so the next thing we want to do is click on Assignments. In the Active tab, it'll show assignments that are coming due soon. And if you click on Past, it will show you the assignments that are past due. And again, this is a dummy account, so all of the assignments are showing as not complete. Also, the assignments with little stars next to them are actual practice problems. The ones with a little arrow are instructional videos. Now, we go over all of this material in class, but I like to include the instructional videos to help reinforce the concepts. And so this first page would be the most recent past due, or the most recently due, but you can keep going because for most of my classes, there are 4 or 5 or more pages of assignments that we have done. And as you can see here, here's an assignment that was actually completed, and it shows the score next to it. So that's how you know when an assignment has been done. Or next to the videos, it should say completed when they're done. If it's not saying completed, could you do me a favor and maybe sit with your child and have them watch an entire video through the very end? I mean, very end of the video, and let me know if it is still not showing up as complete. If you could verify that for me, that would be awesome. And as you can see, we're finally at the last page. But you can just go through and have them double check assignments. Another thing that I highly recommend for students who are missing work is that you look at the due dates. For example, these two were due December 6th, so that's how you can tell that they go together. This video goes with this set of practice problems. And these 3 videos are all about surface area, so they were all assigned on the same day. They were all due yesterday. These 2 go together. They were due on December 2nd, and so on and so forth. So you know, just to help you understand, you and the students understand what's going on here in case they've gotten very far behind, you can always check the due dates. And I would highly recommend kind of grouping, doing those assignments together that were due on the same day instead of jumping around. Like, for example, here was a day that we actually did some Khan assignments in class, which is why there are so many of them. And so all of these were due on the same day. I would try to do these all right around the same time. If you can't get them done in the same day, maybe in the same couple of days. So that is how that works. So again, have the student log on, or students, you can log on, click on assignments. The active assignments will be here. These are the ones that are currently due, and the past assignments will show up here. And then last but not least, if you do want to be kept updated, your child's screen name will be up here. Click on setting, have them click on settings and scroll down and go ahead and have them type your email in here, and they can send you a request to connect. And then you will receive email alerts whenever they have assignments, and it'll also alert you to their progress in the course, at least in the con portion of the course. Okay, so I hope all this has helped, and if you have any questions, please reach out and let me know. I'd be happy to answer them.